Isang Pinoy favorite na ni-level up, ile-level up pa natin ulit. Ube Champorado Halo-halo. Let's start cooking! So, eto na siya. Unang-una, gagawa tayo ng ating champorado. Very simple! Tubig. At ilalagay na natin yung ating malagkit. So, eto siya. Very important. Bring it to a boil. And we have to stir it every few minutes. And now, I will add my ube flavor. Very important, ube flavor, hindi violet food coloring ha. And lalagyan din natin siya ng konting ube halaya. Ingat kayo sa ating ube flavoring kasi pag namansyahan yung kamay mo, para kang bumoto. Yan. Ito, konti na lang. We just want it to really be puffed, no? Yung ating champorado. And the key to making champorado is that you don't sweeten it ahead of time, no? So, kanya-kanya ng add ng sugar. Personally, kasi some people like it very sweet, some people ayaw ng matamis. So, personalize na lang yung sugar. Ito, look at that. Very nice, so very rich, very thick. And I will add, para gumanda yung kulay ng ating ube champorado, and also to add a little bit more richness of flavor, evaporated milk, no? And what I like to do when I'm cooking desserts is to add a pinch of salt. Very important na when we cook even sweets, may konting salt just to balance or to round out the flavors. And finally, our ube champorado is done. Again, sugar is up to you. Or lagyan na natin ng konting sugar kung gusto nyo talaga. A little bit. Ito yung sugar ko lahat, no? But I will just add half. No? So it's not too sweet, pero you can adjust pa. And we will add sweet topping. So, dapat may consideration tayo sa ibang elements natin sa ating recipe. Yan, oh. Busog na busog ka dyan, oh. Ba yan? Sisira yung diet natin. So, we have more evaporated milk, which we will combine with our powdered milk para maging richer pa yung ating i-drizzle. And we will add sugar. So, this one is less sweet than condensed milk. Pag condensed milk, sobrang tamis. Ito siya, perfect, very milky. And we will put it back into our squeeze bottle. And that's going to be so creamy and milky with just the right amount of sweetness, no? Unlike condensed milk na sobrang sweet. And let's drizzle our, eto, ginawa natin, no? O, diba? May pa-design, no? Very nice. And we add our toppings. Halo-halo yung peg natin, no? So, we will have our langka, kaong, beans, corn, leche flan. Grabe. Overload to, ah. Toasted coconut and cheese. Tignan natin. Pero i-mix natin. I-mix ba siya? Mix natin siya. Let's see if it works. It's crazy, pero it's masarap. Something crazy, but it works. Try mo. Baka pwede din itong pang negosyo. Try nyo nga. Baka pumatok ang ating ube champorado halo-halo. Simpol! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simpol!